this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 Lariat. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Max Trailer Tow Package, as well as the Lariat Sport Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice rear park sensing, you have that nice tow hitch, backup camera, of course. We have mud flaps on rear and front wheel wells, as well as that nice gripped running board. We also have a side view camera, blind spot detection. We also have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we do have this nice black leathered perforated seats with brown leather accents. Plenty of door space. Brown leathering on the door with a B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. We also have 2 cup holders right there, 2 heated back seats, a 12 volt, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120 volt right there. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can fold this out for additional 2 cup holders and some arm space. And if you need a little extra storage, you can always lift up the seats for extra space. We also have a twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Taking a look on the inside of the driver's side, we can see here that the seats are powered with the same leathering we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space again, that nice brown leathering, memory seating for the 3 drivers, your parking brakes right there, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, blind spot, Pro Power onboard, and your tailgate light right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's on, we can see that the vehicle is sitting at 77.4 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main screen, phone, and media. You have your cruise control there, volume and voice. Looking at your main screen, you do have My View, trip and fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. Continuing our look here, you do have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift, which is also collapsible, providing you with a fair bit more storage. You do have that nice brown leathering center console, which does fold up for a nice little workstation. You also have plenty of room in the center console with a 12 volt and a USB and a USB-C. You have storage here as well, 2 cup holders, wireless charging pad with storage, USB and USB-C, and this does close for you. You have your drive modes, 4-wheel drive capabilities, rear axle lock. You do have trailer disconnect and pro trailer assist. For your drive modes, you do get, oh, that's nice, normal, slippery, deep sand and snow, mud and rut, and all the way to the right here, we got tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continuing our look here, we have heated front seats and cooled, heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt, 120 volt. Hitting this button does open up for more storage, and storage in the glove compartment. And we do have this nice brown leathering on the dash as well. You have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park sensing, hazards, and traction control. Looking at your main screen, you do have your audio, which is Sirius XM capable. You have your phone, of course, your navigation, your fave app, which you can set up whichever one you like, such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi, so on and so forth. Apps such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings such as Sirius, navigation, so on and so forth. We also have features such as Pro Power onboard, driving assist, and so on and so forth. And looking above me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which we did see earlier, and we do have a nice rear window opener, which comes in pretty handy. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KF40248, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.